Hi guys, welcome to one more video series. Today we'll discuss all the trade setups that we have taken post FOMC. We were all prepared for the scenarios what will happen post FOMC. If you were not sure how we were preparing for it, you can watch the video I had posted yesterday. I had cited what will happen depending on the event calendars, how the markets are going to play out, and more or less it has happened exactly the way we predicted. Like you can see, this is the website which we use to post to figure out and find out what are the rates rise as before anyone else. So you can see 1.75 was the previous, yeah. So they raised it by 75 basis point, which is 0.75%. So 1.75 plus 0.75 came to 2.5. Okay, so that is how you arrive at the 2.5 figure. Because the forecast and the actual met markets reacted quite well to it. You could see market makers use this opportunity to liquidate a lot of shorts which came in late, and this was the FOMC statement which was released, which I had posted in the Telegram group. There are a lot of other statements which came out after, because the FOMC meeting was live. If you had followed it, you could listen to the news. Nothing important to discuss. Same thing like we were expecting. Yeah. So yeah, let's start with the trades that we took. Okay. So this is the 4-hour chart of BTC. Uh, chart looks like a lot of mess. Anyway, the long that we took, you can see it's in very good profit since yesterday that we entered over here. It's already 12% profit. So I have taken profit some around this line. 23348 was my profit target. So I got out of the trade for BTC. Okay. And now we are looking for some shorts. Okay. So this is the area which I was looking for shorting. Now there are various reasons to it. Let me build up how we got to this trade. Let's just hide all this unnecessary things over here, because the chart looks a lot messy. So probably you won't be able to figure out what's going on. Okay. So yeah, as you can see in the 4-hour time frame, we had a clear uh, uptrend followed by a downtrend and an uptrend. Okay, so this completed the full wave over here. You can see the A over here was completed, like I was referring to. Now we are looking for a B and then a C. Okay, like I always say that each subwave need to have 3 waves in it. So A, B, C in it. Okay, you can see this move down, fast up, corrective move down. Okay, so this is the 4-hour time frame, guys. So you won't be able to figure out the subwaves over here. So you need to drop down to some lower time frames over here. So this is the 2-hour time frame. Okay, so you can see clearly in this time frame that there are a lot of subwaves inside a bigger wave. ABC, ABC. Yeah. So I hope that this is which is forming will be something like this. So this is my A going down, this is my B going up, and I'm hoping that one more C will come, which will complete our B wave over here, and then we get one more C wave. Okay. I'm sure, I hope you guys understand. So parallel channel wise, you can see it is the same behavior. So we touch this one and this one, and then don't adjust much. Let the market do what it does. Yeah, because if you try to adjust the parallel channel to your own benefit, it is not going to end up well. Okay, so you can see that it has not come down to touch the parallel channel because of the meeting. It took some hit up. Yeah, so you can see there is no significant supports down here. So there is no reason to think that this is a technical move. I think this is purely a manipulative move, and market makers were using this news to liquidate all the shorts over here. Like I was mentioning yesterday in the video, that there is a lot of liquidity around this region. So as predicted, Bitcoin went up. So we took the long trades, very good trade, and we are out now. Okay. Now, why I say that this zone is an important zone is because if this is my single wave and I take a fib of it, you can see that the golden pocket is coming somewhere at this region, okay, somewhere over here. That is why, if you remember, I had posted a short from this area in the Telegram group. Okay, that time when BTC was nearing this place. Yeah. So we entered this short somewhere here. Yeah. With a 2% stop loss. Okay. And now we are going to target this region. Yes. So you can take profits in this region. Yeah. The first one will be here, and second one will be here. Third one will be here. Okay. At this balance. Then you can let the rest ride and see what is going to happen. Now, this is not a sure shot trade, but you know that you need to take such trades, okay? Because you don't know what is going to happen, and you need to always weigh in the risk to reward ratio. What I mean is that the risk to reward ratio, you can see this figure over here, it is 8.31. Okay, so whatever you are losing multiplied by 8 will be your profit. Okay, that is how the stop loss comes. I'll make a separate video how to identify stop losses and leverage and position and margin. Okay, because if I do it in this video, again this video will end up becoming very long. Okay, so this is the major wave which we are targeting, this one over here, and inside that various subwaves that we have, and hopefully this is going to play out because this has gone up in a straight line. Like I always say, that anything which goes up in a straight line is never good. Yeah, you can see RSI is almost at the top here. Like I drew this diagram of RSI, if you remember, because whenever a liquidity uh, short squeeze happens, the RSI goes up like this. You can see there is already a huge bearish divergence which is coming here. Price is putting in lower highs, and RSI is putting in higher highs. Okay, so this is on the 2-hour time frame. That is why I was saying that on higher time frames also there is a lot of bearish divergence which is coming. Okay, so that is how this BTC trade has been taken. I've given you areas for take profits, and hopefully that this will materialize. Then we get our B over here, like we discussed yesterday. Some fake outs. Now, if you see the whole wave from bottom to top, this is the full impulse wave which is coming. Yeah, and you see the golden pocket is somewhere here. That is how my B has landed up here, and my take profit is exactly in between. Okay, so this is how you need to find your take profit zones and identify trades to take. Okay, now I hope this theory is very clear. Now, on the basis of this, we have taken all other trades, and be it Sol, be it Matic, be it ETH, everybody follows BTC. Okay, so all you need to do is look at BTC. Yeah, now if I try to find out the point of control over here, point of control comes at this area. Okay, that's why your majority profit should be on the POC, because anything can happen in the POC. Okay, don't take it as a must, that as a guaranteed thing that will happen. Try to see what the market is showing you, and just follow the market. Okay, don't front run. Okay, a lot of things can happen. This wave which has gone up can come down over here, and then it can go up to put in a higher high. Yeah, that will negate this logic of ABC, and then we'll look at something like this over here. So yeah, then you get this new ABC over here, and if it comes below this, so this will become a swing failure, and you can enter a short over here again from this setup over here, and target again this parallel channel low. Okay, so this is how you set up your trades. So this was for BTC. Now coming back to ETH. Yeah, you can see. So ETH is, if you don't know, guys, just right click on your screen. Okay, you have to come out of the full screen, right click, go to object tree over here. You see object tree, just click it over here. You can group your drawings, and just do like this. Okay, and then all your drawings are safe. You don't need to delete it, and your chart will not look messy. Okay, if you don't know how to group, just click this one, press shift, and if you are in Apple, you can press command or option. Okay, Shift if you want to select the whole line, and if you want to select individual, this one, and then control and click. Maybe I'll add just one more line here. Sorry, I'll just add one more line here to show you. So you can see one more line has come up. So I need to click this, control, click this. So you see both are highlighted. Right click on this and you can create a group of drawings. Okay. So now this is the group which is come and you can hide it. Okay. So this is how you do it for grouping. Yeah. So for ETH, I had already grouped my drawing. So I'm just going to hide it like this. Now you see the chart is completely clear. And now we can do analysis on it peacefully. Okay. So you can see this is the parallel channel which came out of ETH by touching this high and this high over here. You just extend the parallel channel with the lows over here. When it put in a higher high from this, I took a trade because this, first of all, this was the swing failure. Okay. And a short setup over here because this was the top of parallel channel. Now you don't put exactly your entry at top of parallel channel. So 1670 was my point of entry for short. I am keeping a 2% stop loss because market is volatile. Yeah, with lower leverage, and then you target the bottoms. Okay. Now you can see ETH has basically gone up in a straight line. So I'm expecting this full wave to at least retrace a lot somewhere over here. So depends on what BTC does, but this will be a very good short trade like before. If you want to draw a higher line parallel channel, it will go like this. Okay. So the first point of support it will find is over here. Okay, so 1183 to 1222 will be a good zone to take profits. Now you can start taking profits on the way down, like I always say. So this will be my first profit zone, and then you can just layer it down on the basis of supports that you have. Okay, so this is how you set your take profit levels on ETH. Okay, now I'll come up with a separate video where we'll discuss the macro trade analysis of ETH. So let's jump over to Matic. Now, why I took the Matic trade, you can see my drawings are not labeled here. So I click here, shift, and I press the bottom most. So this will select everything. Right click, create a group of drawings, and I go and hide it. Okay, this is how my chart becomes clear. Now I can do technical analysis again. Okay, so you can see Matic had dropped down in a straight line over here. What I did was just draw a fib from bottom to top. Okay, and you can see it is exactly sitting at my golden pocket now. That is why I had given a short call to you guys from this swing failure over here. Yeah, so this is the short setup we are in now. Because it is an altcoin, try to keep around 4 to 5% stop loss, or else it will move a lot. Yeah, and then you can get stopped out quite easily. You can see Matic has a lot of liquidity in this area. If you just take this fib of Matic, and you can see the golden pocket is coming here, so the take profit zone will be here. Okay, and if you want to see the macro overview of Matic, this is the whole impulse wave, and the correction should at least happen till here. You can see there is good amount of liquidity around this zone, so this will be a very good trade for Matic on shorter time frames. Okay. So the parallel channel, if you draw, you can see the first support layer will be somewhere here, and then the second support layer will come if you join this too. Yeah, it will come over here. So if this support breaks, then there is nothing which is going to stop Matic to come right away from till here. Okay, so I hope this is quite clear to you guys, and I hope these trade setups you understand. Just keep an eye on BTC and see how BTC is doing. And like I discussed, two scenarios can happen. One is this can be ABC and it will go down. Other is it can correct till here and it can go up. Okay, just keep an eye on RSI. If we are coming down and RSI is going very fast down, that means it is going to get a pickup like this again to create one more bearish divergence. Okay, so when this happens, this RSI will put in lower highs and price will put in higher highs. Okay, so this is how you will get one more bearish divergence, and you can take a short from the swing failure. Okay, and if you want, you can long from here. You will see some bullish continuation divergence on 15 minutes. If you go to 15 minutes, you are going to see some bullish continuation divergence. What I mean is that this is the lowest RSI point over here. Okay, if RSI comes down like this, what has happened here is RSI has put in lower lows, and if price manages to come only till here and then picks up, then price is put in a higher low. Okay, like this. So this and this together will be called as bullish continuation divergence. Okay, so I mean, I will make a separate video on RSI and divergence, but this is just to help you guys figure out how to go about it. Okay, I hope guys this much is clear, and all the trades that we have taken have made it clear. And please follow our Telegram channel if you have not done yet. Okay, the link is in the description. And what I'll do is regularly every day the trades we take, I'll make a video and upload it on YouTube, so you guys can understand the logic behind it, and slowly we'll build up our trading ideas and your trading knowledge. Having said that, I think this is enough, guys. Hope you have a good day. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.